Good day, I'm Jose Azaraga, and my proposed research is entitled Strategic Development Plan for Kingston Construction Supply, a SWOT-based approach integrating sustainability factors. The study focuses on developing a practical 5-year direction for the company. Instead of looking only at expansion, I want to connect growth with competitive positioning, resource allocation, and sustainability. My intended output is not merely a SWOT matrix, but a usable strategic development plan for the next 5 years. Company context. Kingston, Kingston Company is a suitable subject because the company has already moved beyond original construction supply operations. It began in 2004 as a wholesaler and retailer of aggregates and construction materials. The El Nido branch was established in 2017 and now provides construction supplies, aggregate delivery, tracking, and equipment rental. The company has also accumulated substantial heavy equipment. More importantly, its own profile already expresses plans to broaden its product and expand its assets and tracking services. This means the issue is no longer simply whether to grow, but how to manage that growth strategically. Research problem. The central problem is that Kingston has expanded, but the future direction has not yet been consolidated into a documented strategic plan. For the study, we are looking at the four connected concerns. First, where future expansion should occur. Second, the company should position itself competitively. Third, how limited financial, human, and physical resources should be allocated. And fourth, how the company can pursue growth in a sustainable manner. The strategic plan is intended to bring this concern together instead of treating expansion decisions separately. Research objectives. The study has four objectives. First, we will assess the internal and external environment of Kingston, including relevant sustainability factors. Second, we will identify and analyze the company's strengths and weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Third, finding the findings will be used to formulate strategic goals and appropriate strategies. Finally, this will be translated into a 5-year strategic development plan. The sequence is important because the proposed strategies will come from data. We do not want to decide in advance what Kingston should do and then make the SWT fit decision. Sustainability lens. We are also adding a sustainable lens to the study. However, sustainability will not be separate chapter, disconnected from strategy. We will examine three dimensions. Economic sustainability includes financial stability, cost management, asset utilization, and the ability to finance future growth. Environmental sustainability includes fuel and energy use, equipment efficiency, material use, waste and environmental compliance. Social sustainability includes employee safety and welfare, training, stakeholder relationships, and community responsibility. These factors will then enter the SWT according to what the data show. For example, strong safety practices could emerge as a strength, while excessive fuel dispense could emerge as a weakness for external risk. Proposed methodology. For the methodology, we propose a descriptive qualitative case study because the research is focused on understanding one company in depth and developing a plan specifically for Kingston. Participants will be purposefully selected key informants who could direct knowledge and management operations. Ideally, we will include around the 3-5 participants from different function areas. Rather than relying on the owner, the primary instrument will be semi-structured interview guide. Responses will be coded and organized into an internal and external factors, followed by SWOT analysis, validation with key informants, and then TOW strategy formulations. Research instrument. The interview instrument is organized around 5 areas: the current business direction, internal environment, external environment, sustainability factor, and future strategic priorities. An important feature is what we will not simply ask respondents to give us a ready-made SWOT. We will first gather evidence about actual business conditions. From the responses, we will identify the preliminary strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The preliminary SWOT will then be brought back to selected informants for validation and prioritization. This gives the analysis clearer basis than simply asking, what are your strengths and your weaknesses at the beginning? Expected output. The expected output is a 5-year strategic development plan. The SWOT findings will be the first converted into TOWS strategies. So the WO and ST and WT strategies, this will be used to formulate a company's strategic goals for each strategic priority. The final plan will identify specific initiatives, required sources, implementation timeline, responsible person or unit, and measurable key performance indicator. The purpose is to give Kingston practical roadmap that balances growth and competitiveness with financial, environmental, and social sustainability. That includes my title proposal. Thank you.